volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres. Pyramids, of course, have polygons for base, come to a point. And remember, you name them by base, just like prisms. So triangular pyramid, square pyramid. And of course, a cone is, this one is a circular cone. Now, just like remember with prisms and cylinders, technically these are cones generally. But if they have polygons for sides, you can be more specific and say that they are pyramids. But technically, a cone is just a solid figure that for a base comes to a point. And remember, volume is how much stuff you can fit inside. Well, here's the thing. Remember, just like before, with volume in general, I told you area of the base times the height was a good general formula to be aware of, so you didn't have to memorize all those little bitty formulas. The same with pyramids and cones, except since they come to a point, so that's for prisms, cylinders, pyramids and cones, 1/3 area of the base times the height. And of course, spheres, might as well go ahead and get them while we're here. Spheres, of course, are just basically balls, three-dimensional circles, and their formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So they, area of the base times the height doesn't work on them because they're special. And in calculus, just a little side note, something fascinating, if you were to derive this, you get the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r squared. We'll get to it later in surface area. And the rate that the sphere is changing is how many surfaces you're putting on there. It's actually kind of wild, but sorry. That was a calculus crossover. Anyway, back to the task at hand. So if I had a square pyramid, let's say height of 5, sides are 4. I'll say 15, make it a little bit nicer for us. And if you wanted to find the volume, 1/3 area of the base, so 4 times 4, 16, times the height, 15. Now, if it were me, I'd go ahead and say 5 times 60, 80. Or you could say 240 divided by 3, 80. And remember, with volume, units are cubed. So like if I said that was feet, that would be feet cubed. All right, let's say that I had, we'll say a cone, because that's, 12, 5. Well, if I wanted to find the volume of a cone, 1/3 area of the base, so pi r squared, 25 pi, times the height of 12. So 3 goes in there, 4 times 25, 100 pi, or 300 pi divided by 3, still 100 pi. So no matter what figure it is, you literally 1/3 area of the base times the height. Just like before, let's say they gave you a hexagonal pyramid. We'll say the true height is 6. And we'll say the apothem is 2, and I could do the trig, but we'll just estimate and say the sides are 4. So remember, 1/3 area of the base times the height. So area of the base, 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So 6 times 4, 24. So So the area of the base is 24. Height of the figure is 6. 48. Now let's do a sphere real quick. Let's say the radius is 3. So 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 pi, 3 cubed, 27. 3 goes in there, 9. 36 pi. And remember, I allow my students to leave it in terms of pi because that is the exact answer. You could multiply by 3.14 if you'd like. Hope this was of help to you. Have a great day.